Are you wondering what a $1.5 million home in Toronto looks like? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you through my latest listing in Toronto. This is a semi-detached that's worth $1.5 million and it's located in the heart of midtown Toronto. So stay tuned till the end because I'm going to tell you exactly why it's priced at $1.5 million. So let's get to it. Hi everybody, my name is Connie and I'm a real estate agent and investor here in Toronto. And if this is your first time to the channel, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And make sure you hit that little bell button so you know every single time we have a new video. We help clients from around the world and we absolutely love it. So call, text, email, or WhatsApp and we'll be sure to take care of you. This channel is all about education. We want to tell you everything there is to know about buying and selling real estate in Toronto so that when you're ready to actually buy and sell, you'll be confident and prepared. So what does a $1.5 million home in Toronto look like? Well, come on in and I'm going to show you. So the first thing about the pricing of this home is the location. It is in one of the most sought after locations in all of Toronto. We are in the heart of midtown Toronto. We're right at Yonge and Merton, and we are a 7-minute walk from Davisville subway station. We're also minutes walk from restaurants, shops, and all kinds of amenities. Now, you've heard it before, and I'm gonna say it again. When it comes to real estate, it's all about location. You can have the exact same house in two different locations and there can be a significant difference in price because of location. So this one happens to be in a highly desirable location because of its proximity to transit, restaurants, and amenities. So that's number one. Next is the actual unit itself. Now this unit has two other very unique things about it. First of all, it is a semi-detached freehold home, which means it's not a condo, so there are no monthly condo fees, which is a big deal. The other thing that this unit has is a 2-car garage, which is very coveted in a location like this because to get a 2-car garage so close to the subway is also highly desirable. And this garage is actually heated and has electricity. So if you have an electric car, you have electricity to plug in your car, which the current owner does right now. So the next thing to notice about this property is its size and unique features. So what you will notice is, first of all, it's huge. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath in the heart of Midtown. But on top of that, it's got some really great features like this open concept main floor with living, dining room, and kitchen all on one floor, bright and open concept. Also, this room has 10-foot ceilings, so the room feels even bigger. And then it's got some really neat features like it's got a Juliet balcony back there. And then just off the kitchen here, there is another balcony for barbecuing, easy access. As well, there's a huge terrace upstairs for even more entertainment. And there's 2 more balconies. So you have the balcony off of a room upstairs, one of the bedrooms upstairs, and then you have a huge terrace. So 3 balconies total. So that's some of the unique features of this home. As well as that, the kitchen has upgraded materials. The lighting has been upgraded. There's pot lights. There's also an entertainer's living room with a built-in bookshelf and a gas fireplace. So lots of things in this property that make it really unique and special. Next up, we have this master suite. And this master suite actually has the entire floor to itself. So it's got plenty of room for a king-size bed, plus a desk, lots of light, and then these huge closets lead to a spa-like ensuite. So this huge set of closets leads to this gorgeous master ensuite with double sink, a standalone tub, standalone shower, and there's also a water closet there with privacy. So all of that leads back into the master suite. So one thing that often happens when you have a huge master is the other bedrooms are quite small. Well, that's not the case in this house. In this house, the 2 other bedrooms are quite spacious. They fit queen size beds comfortably, plus desks and other things. So these guys have a lot of space as well. They're both on one floor. They share a bathroom. And then the laundry is also on this floor, which makes it quite convenient. And this room actually has a great little balcony as well. So you can see this room is quite bright. The whole floor is also quite bright. So let's take a look. So both these also have double closets, and that's the balcony. Comfortable space for a bed and a large desk. Again, upgraded lighting. And then you come in to a brand new bathroom, gorgeous tile, then the laundry room, and then the last bedroom that has, again, double closet, lots of light, lots of room for their bed, as well as beautiful light fixtures. Now the last space is a rooftop terrace, and I gotta tell you, the thing about this rooftop terrace is it's huge. It's over 500 square feet. So there's space for a dining table, a seating area, and lots of storage as well. So you can put away all your stuff without worrying about them getting ruined by the elements. So let's take a look at that. So that's it. Thank you for joining me on this tour of a $1.5 million home in Midtown Toronto. Right after this video, I'm going to put the official tour of the home, which will give you a really great sense. It's only a couple of minutes long, but it's what I used when I marketed this property. If you have any questions about this home or any home in Toronto, or about living in Toronto, buying and selling in Toronto, feel free to reach out, call, text, email, or WhatsApp, and we'll be sure to take care of you. I hope you found this video helpful. I would love to hear any comments, good or bad. And also, if you have any ideas for future videos, please let us know. Thanks for joining us. My name is Connie Sarvananthan, and this is Living in Toronto. Hi everybody, this is Connie Sarvananthan from my fabulous new listing in Davisville Village. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath home has a coveted 2-car garage, and it's only 7 minutes from Davisville Station. And as you can see, if you're an entertainer, this open concept space is fantastic. And in addition, there is a rooftop terrace that's huge. I'm excited to show you, so come on in. Thank you for taking the tour. If you have any questions or if you want your own private tour, please contact me.